Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got something a little bit different in. It's a Karmann Ghia with a 1.8T engine sticking out the back. So let's take a look. I've got it all loaded up on the dyno now, and I'm going to do a quick boost leak check using this compressed air kit, and I'll show you how it works. So this is the high pressure boost leak checker. You get an air regulator which you connect to your airline, so you can wind the air pressure up, or well, what would be boost. There's your regulator. In the kit you get lots of stepped adapters to fit various applications. So just for easiness of filming, I've put it on the outlet of the turbo there. Often I'd put it, I'd remove the MAF and put it on that end, but for filming purposes we can't even see it or get to it much, but so we'll do it this way. So yeah, so that's connected up. See if we can do it with one hand, and we'll slowly introduce some air, and just pretend this is like your boost gauge as such. Oh, there we go. So, yep, we've got one come off, so I'll get that repaired, we'll be back in a minute. So I've just tightened up that clip that we saw blow off a second ago, so let's have another take. We'll put some air in there, slowly introduce it, and I can hear, I can actually feel it on my hand somewhere. Oh. Yep, so we've got a leak there, and I can, yep, got another one there. So, well, see if we can do some live action. There we go, time that one up. Good. We've got this bottom one. There you go, quite right down there. Yeah, holding air pressure now. So we'll introduce a little bit more. What I normally do is say, just for a number, you're going to run 20 psi, then I do it 5 or 10 psi over what you're going to run, so then you've got, you know it's strong then. So yeah, check round the other side. Can't hear anything from this side, don't think. But I can hear something in there. This is where the actual intake is. Let's have a look. A little torch on. Diverter valves in there. You can hear a bit of air coming from there. You can feel it on the hand as well. Ah. Yeah. I think the diverter valve's leaking out the side. Yep, did you hear that? Out the side. I'll take that out and we'll have a look at it. So I pulled the diverter valve out there and connected it back up again, how it would be connected, so I can show you what's going on with it. Got a bit of copper pipe in the middle there, no leaks from there. I mean, if it works, isn't it? We'll get rid of these tie wraps on the end there. But yeah, as we introduce some air pressure again, get it right up there. Just above where we're going to be, and not looking very good on camera, but it's literally leaking out the side of the diverter valve, and actually out of the diverter valve. see what we can do with that. Have a look. So this dump valve was leaking out of the diaphragm out of this side where it joins, and it was leaking internally also. What I've done is put another one on that I had, and I've just had to adapt the pipe to a different size, but that's all good. I've got air going through, and we've got no leaks from there. We can wind up a bit more. It's a lot better now. Just solved all those little leaks quite simply, really. Just can hear. Oh yeah. These vac pipes to the fuel reg are leaking a little bit. Then I'll put some zip ties on there on all these. So that'll be that, and then we can do some pulls. Good stuff. So I'm going to leave this diverter on now for tuning wise, because I've tested it, it's good. Then it doesn't hold the job up. The customer isn't from around here, travel quite far, so this will allow me to get the job done. Then he can make his mind up afterwards what he wants to do, whether he wants to take that one, I'm not really forced, or he can get himself a new one, and he could take the car away and fit that one himself at home, and he'd still be good to go. Okay, so we've got a couple of problems. One main one being lambda control doesn't seem to have any, and I'm getting no feedback to the ECU. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the video short here. I'm going to do some investigation into the wiring and the lambda probe and etc. And I'll cover all that in the next video. So there'll be like a part 2, if you will. So make sure you join us then, and I'll see you later. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment in the comment section below. Thanks very much.